Yo, Car Empire Nation, back at it again. So right this moment guys, nandito ulit tayo sa warehouse. And tol, pakita ko sa inyo yung napakaangas nating unit. This is the year 2018 Chevrolet Trailblazer, and tol, this is 2.8 LT automatic transmission, diesel fuel engine, 40,000 mileage pa lang yung tinatakbo niya. And tol, napakaangas niya from the hood, from the signature ni Chevrolet, while at the same time yung headlight natin, the bumper, malupit din yung mugs natin, makapal yung gulong, and all intact original paint with trackable na side mirror for only 690,000 pesos lang tol. So napaka-budget friendly nito. Available na siya via cash, financing and trade-in. Guys, kung maganda siya sa labas, check natin siya sa loob. Let's go! Dito sa loob, sobrang angas, komportable ka dito, malambot yung steering wheel natin, kapatid, maganda rin yung display ng speedometer natin, tsaka fuel gauge, all intact, at sobrang solid pa ng ating dashboard, while at the same time yung head unit natin, sobrang angas din kapatid. Cup holder, center console, armrest na rin, no? Storage box, grip natin dito, all goods na all goods. Siyempre, storage box tayo dito, and of course, maganda yung door panel natin, wide yung ating windshield kapatid, all the way from the upuan natin with the signature of Chevrolet Trailblazer. But at the same time, headliner is all goods. May lagayan tayo ng shades, and at the same time, we have the vanity sunshield with the vanity mirror. Sobrang lupit ito all the way hanggang doon sa may passenger side. Check natin, let's go. Dito sa second row, passenger side, yung knee space natin, head and shoulder, all goods na all goods. Yung upuan natin, maganda rin, syempre. And of course, maganda rin yung door panel natin all the way doon sa ating, ayan, headliner, mga control ng aircon, malakas yung aircon natin, kapatid, solid, no? All working yung mga ilaw natin, all the way hanggang doon sa ating third row, maganda pa rin, maluwag, may cup holder sa pareho, magkabilang gilid. Dito sa likod, sobrang lupit kasi maluwag pa rin dito guys, no? So kung makikita nyo, as you see, lagayan ng spare tires natin at saka mga spare tools. And guys, pag binaba mo to, so maluwag pa rin, marami kang storage na mailalagay, sobrang angas nito. 690, available cash, financing and traded, negotiable upon view. Ikaw ay OFW, remittance beneficiary, nasa province or seaman, tawag ka lang para ma-process mo via online yung application mo. Para pagdating mo dito, test drive ka na lang, money transaction, with that same date, may uwi mo agad yung unit mo. Highest rate of approval po tayo. Ipa-flash din natin dito yung mga requirements na kailangan mo for application. And guys, maraming salamat sa araw po na nag-share, nag-like ng page namin. Sintayin ka namin dito sa Car Empire Warehouse.